Well, hello. My name is dadIQ, and I have an announcement to make today. All right. This is basically to my subscribers, the guys that watch these videos a lot. I get comments from you guys, and I appreciate you a lot. I really do. Keep up the good work. Keeps me going. But dadIQ has done something, and I'm going to make that announcement here in just a second. And I feel like I need to do this because, like I say, there are comments I get from you guys and questions that I can't always I don't feel comfortable with just coming out and talking about it. So what I have done, dadIQ has started a membership on here. You can pay a few dollars a month, and I have special videos that I've already put up, a couple of them, two of them. One of them with the secret that I have not let out a lot of, letting you guys know kind of the truth about dadIQ, what he has done and how he really operates his Uber. I take it to another level. Let's just say that. So if you would like, that video is available to members only. I've also done a video, and I'm going to do more of these because I get questions about this quite often from drivers who are interested in doing a YouTube channel. So I have another level of membership, and I'm going to be feeding those guys some information that will help them, save them some shortcuts. There's no doubt about that. So if you're an Uber driver and you want to do a YouTube channel, you may want to pay attention to some of those videos I'm going to be putting out on that subject. I learned the hard way. I can't say the hard way. It was fairly easy because I followed certain principles, and I'm going to try to instruct you guys on how to do those principles and save you some time. Things you need to pay attention to, some shortcuts that if you do them right, they'll help you faster. It's just the way it is. So as you know, if you've seen any of my videos before, I try to be straight up, honest, and truthful. I'm not going to feed you a bunch of BS if I can. If I come across BS, I'm going to tell you it's BS. But memberships, these videos will be made for memberships only. And so if you'd like to have more information, I'm going to tell you what you're getting with these memberships here. I'm going to read off exactly how YouTube has fed it to me. You'll be getting the daily drivers will be getting loyalty badges, emojis. So when you leave a comment, you'll be designated. Members only live chat will also have priority replies to the comments. So when you comment to me, it'll be set as a priority, and I will get back to you. Members only polls, members only chat rooms, and member shout outs. All right, so that's what you're going to get for the daily drivers. Then there's the full-time pro drivers. Now, these are the guys that get out there and do it. They get out and want to know how to do Uber and a little bit different, and I'm going to teach you that. We'll help you with that. And you're going to get the shout out. You're going to get pretty much everything that the daily drivers get. And you'll also have access to the members only videos. All right. So it's what you want to watch. All right. They're going to be a little bit longer. The two I've already done are a little bit longer. So you may want to look at those if you're one of the guys that really work it consistently. You're out here all the time. You may want to look at the full-time pro driver things. And then I have one for Uber drivers that are wanting to do YouTube. Now that's going to be a special membership there because I feel like what I have learned in this past period of time of doing Uber and YouTube, I've learned some things, believe me. So I'm going to try to teach you guys. So if you're interested in that, they're going to be videos specifically for you guys on doing Uber and YouTube and how you can combine them together and make some money. That's what this is all about. I'm going to try to help, not just put out videos for the mass, on certain things you can do while you're doing Uber. I have certain things that I know that I'm not comfortable with sometimes talking about on my regular videos. And there are times where I bite my tongue. I kind of hem around the corner sometimes and not fully express where I would like to take that subject to and how you can do it a little bit better. Because like I say, look, here's the thing. Daddy-O is old. I'm 72 freaking years old. I'm working on 73 here. And like I've said in other videos, I have a little bit of knowledge. I've learned things over the years doing transportation. And I've learned things over the years doing Uber. And combining what I learned from a younger age of doing transportation and how well I was able to make it work, that when I slipped into Uber, it made it simple. It was like it was made for me. All right. The only secret was finding the right vehicle to do what I wanted to do. And like I've expressed in other videos, for you guys that don't know, I do a rental. I'm always in a brand new vehicle. All right. So that's helped me over the years do what I learned back when I was doing the upper end stuff of transportation. So I've tried to incorporate that into videos to help the masses. I don't know about help the masses, but help the few, the people that really want to try it, learn it. I get comments from people when I say something on here and I'm expressing my opinion to do this. I'll get comments from people saying, yes, I do that. All right. So the only videos you'll ever see on this channel, so subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up. The only videos you're going to see on this channel are videos that I feel like I need to put out there to help someone save a little time, make a little bit more money, get a little further, not have to go through the hard knocks. Boy, I'm laying out them one-liners, aren't I? To help people. Bottom line, that's kind of like it should be. I'm old, not going to be here forever, not going to be doing these videos forever. So why I am doing them, I'm just trying to put out the little bit of knowledge that I've gathered over the years doing transportation. You wouldn't be watching this video if you weren't, doing transportation, either with Uber or Lyft, or you're out doing DoorDash or Uber Eats. You're doing something in your vehicle all the time. And that's why I've expressed in some of the videos, especially the ones about doing YouTube at the same time, you can create you a channel. All right. You can create a channel. And I express that in the videos that I'm doing for those guys that want to see that want to learn how to do it, have thought about it before. Because in the beginning, we've all thought about it over the years. If you watched YouTube, and if you're watching this video, you've watched YouTube, you've thought about, could I do a channel? I learned stuff doing these channels. I learned stuff doing this channel. This was the test channel. This was the beginning of the test. I learned stuff. And I'm going to try to, in these videos that I'm going to do for members, I'm going to, try to put it out there. Live and learn. That's what I've done. I've lived it. I'm going to try to teach it to you, all right? Anyway, this is going to be a short one. Daddy-O out today. You guys have a good one. Sign up, be a member if you like. I got some stuff over there. You guys have a good one. Also, you can go down to the thing and get the air freshener now in the description. Everything's in the description here. Go down to the description. You can get the air freshener that I've talked about on here. Also, I think I got the video, the music links in there now also. So the description, the stuff is in the description. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Bye.